In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now choose this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, hit Files. Now you can select audio at the top of Recent Files. Pick one of those apps or click on those two lines at the top left corner. To access one of those sources. Wherever you decided, after finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. To add a video on, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video over here and pick one of those options, Google Photos link or low quality video. Then select just once or always. You can also click on Folders. Look for your video here. Click on it, pick one of those options and tap on one of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!